Greetings, citizens of Rockhead. Welcome to this month's news report. Our first story comes from Heavy Duty Cult, where sources say they've been doubling down on their eugenics propaganda. Their citizens are being urged to report and weed out any abnormalities to preserve their genetic composition. As usual, dehumanization is their way of dealing with the threat Free Rockhead poses to cult's shaky ideology. Moving on, we've received several letters with questions about the missing mutants from High Peak District. The junk spiders will attempt extraction efforts, but they're currently dealing with the housing crisis in the wake of their devastating loss in the arena. Please address your queries directly to the gang in question to avoid tipping off the captors. In happier news, the livestock market is booming. Rockhead's self-sufficient food economy is growing, thanks to His Eminence's subsidies for local farmers. It's easier than ever to start your very own red farm or welcome Goliath beetles to your backyard hives. Last but not least, the Torchbearer Syndicate has been drawn to take part in the next season. They're the first gang to outright decline an interview, letting their reputation as flamethrower-wielding psychopaths speak for itself. Our condolences to whoever is going to fight them. They like their opponents medium well. And that concludes this month's news report. Remember to stay safe and stay informed.